Give it up for Lyndol Keith.
My name is Lyndol. That's like Kindle, but with an L. Lyndol Woodruff, it is a family name. We do residential window replacement is the core of Woodruff Windows. Well, my passion's not for windows. My passion is for helping people maximize efficiency in their lives, whether it be savings, whether it be comfort, whether it be quality time with the family, whatever it may be. I always had this desire to communicate, and I loved seeing people laugh. I'm like a laughter person.
Can you imagine a Texan Jesus? Yee, hallelujah. It's like walk on water. I ain't gonna walk on water. I'm gonna float down the Guadalupe River. That's what I'm gonna do today. Yeah.
We got windows on my house when I was a kid, and my dad loved the difference so much. He decided to start a little side business as a hobby to help his friends get good windows in the house. So I grew up around it. Our breakfast area was real drafty, and my dad, it was real cold during the winter, and it made breakfast uncomfortable. So when we got new windows and it changed that whole environment, as you can imagine, Dad's more comfortable, breakfast is more comfortable, we have better conversation as a family, and it impacted everything. I focus on God, recovery, and family. God and recovery are first because if I don't have these two, my family won't be around, Woodruff Windows wouldn't exist, and I wouldn't be able to give back to the community.